Hello and welcome to this video, the things to love about cloud operations at this year's reInvent in Las Vegas. My name is Darko and I'm going to outline the 13 sessions you need to go to if you're going to be at reInvent this year in Las Vegas, and if you're especially interested in cloud operations. Because remember, cloud operations are the beating heart of any tech organization out there. You need to run what you sell. You need to run all those applications, all that data, all that generative AI. So yeah, it is important to be in line with your IT operations. So I do have a list of sessions just here below my face, but don't go anywhere yet. Wait. Let me talk to you for a second, then you can go and read, right? So I'm gonna be sharing a couple of these sessions. 13 to be precise. And yeah, there's way more than this thing, but these are some of my picks. All right, let's kick it off with some innovation talks. Now, innovation talks are your big old deep dive sessions delivered by industry experts. In this case, you have cloud operations for today, tomorrow, and beyond by Nandini. Definitely you need to go check those out if you want to, get a deeper dive into what cloud operations are and why are they so important. So a very excellent session. There's plenty of innovation talks. This is the only one I've added here. Observability. A very important part of IT operations, right? You remember, you need to see what you manage and what is it doing. So being able to detect, investigate, and remediate your IT workloads is important. So I do have a couple of sessions here for you, namely building observability to increase resiliency. Important to kind of connect those two. Resilience and operations work together really good. Centralizing hybrid and multi-cloud management on AWS. It is kind of complicated to manage hybrid environments and multi-cloud environments, so having it all in a single place is a really important thing. And of course, learning how to build an effective observability strategy is important, because you need to know what to monitor, how to monitor it, and what to do with the information you're given. So these are some of the 3 sessions regarding observability that you definitely need to go and check out. Moving on, governance and compliance. Very scary words, but they are very, very important. Being able to build this wonderful foundation that has guardrails and controls when people build on this cloud of yours gets you to sleep at night. So understanding how to do proper governance and compliance is critical to any good IT operations organization. So I do have another 3 sessions here for you, right? Let's kick it off with using generative AI to improve. Well, actually, you're not going to be using Gen AI to run some magic. You're going to use generative AI, AWS Code Whisperer, to help you write those wonderful compliance tools and code. Really important. Moving on to best practices. Well, best practice sessions are really good because you actually get to hear from some real world experience how things are done. So cloud governance best practices, always important. And last but not least, kind of trying to make sure that you not throw too much money at cloud compliance, because you want to make sure you are cost optimized. So instead of just throwing everything at it, there's ways you can kind of optimize the way you do compliance, which is, very important. Which kind of brings me slowly to my next part, cloud financial management, which is cost optimization. And there's again 3 sessions here. Number 1, we do have how to optimize those costs in multi-cloud environments. Remember, multi-cloud environments, hybrid environments can be tricky, so being able to optimize those things with proper account setups, control towers, and all that fun stuff is really, really important. Now, the first workshop. Yes, you have a workshop. Workshop with Natalia and RK is important because you actually get to learn how to, master cost allocation strategies. So things like tagging, dashboards, all of those fun stuff is there. And session number 3, I'm biased because it's delivered by Steph Gooch, but it is a great way to learn how to do forecasting, predicting costs, based on organic growth, usage, and all that fun stuff. Very, very important session as well. And lastly, as we slowly move on from cloud financial management, I want to talk to you about, you all go to reInvent to learn what's new. So you absolutely have 3 what's new sessions. What's new with observability and operations, what's new with governance and compliance, and of course, what is new with AWS cost optimization. So these 3 sessions will kind of show you the latest and greatest of features and services. Last but definitely not the least, you can actually go ahead and check us out at the expo. There is the Cloud Operations, Observability, Cloud Financial Management, and Management Console rolls off the tongue, booth available in the expo, where you can come and go talk to experts in their field, learn things, actually ask questions to people who implement these things and work with customers. And well, I may be there as well. So I will be lurking around that booth as well. So come and say hi if you see me. And yeah, friends, if you're going to be at reInvent, I will be seeing you there. Learn something about cloud operations. It is important for you, for me, and for everybody else. See you in Las Vegas.